Hi everyone, today we released our first update of 2021, so I'm here to show you some of the new features. One of the first things that you'll notice is on the Collection tab, you can now sort your collections based on the name, description, custodian, or created date. Just click on any of the headers here and it will sort your data in that order. Another cool change with this update is the ability to bulk tag entire phone conversations. Previously in our viewer, you had to tag items individually. Once you'd opened up this XML report, you could go through the phone, click on a message, and view that resource specifically and then tag it, but now you can do this all in the viewer. So if I come to a conversation here that I wanted to mark as relevant, I can come up to the top right, type relevant into that box, hit tag, and it's going to apply that tag to the entire conversation and quickly mark all of these parts of the conversation for me. So those are a couple improvements that we've made to some already existing features in the project, but let's talk about our newest feature, which is named entity extraction. You'll notice on the post-processing page of your project now that there's a named entities section, so you can come down to this chart and view either people, commercial items, dates, locations, organizations, and this chart will update for you. And these are entities that we have found in your data, something that the system has analyzed as, in this instance, a company. So I can click on this top one. Let's take a look at all of the data that has been marked as having Enron as part of it. So you can see there's lots and lots of emails in here, and we can click on one of these. So a couple things you'll notice here right off the bat is that we no longer have a similar tab. It's now called Analytics, and that also incorporates our previous similar feature. So you can still come in here, have it calculate similar documents to the one that you're looking at, and then view any of those. But it's going to default to named entities now, which is this new feature. So I can tell it right off the bat I want to highlight any organizations you found in the data. It's going to do that over here on the left. I can even add additional highlighting. So if I wanted to see organizations and people, I can add that criteria in. And if you pop open any of these drop downs over on the left, it's going to show you specifically the different organizations or people or whatever it is that they're highlighting in the data for you. You'll notice over here on the left we're on the plain text tab, so this highlighting only works there. If you're in the PDF view, those highlights are going to go away. You can still view the named entities that are a part of this document, but in order to view them actually in context, you want to switch over to this plain text tab here and then click the highlighter button. Now these named entities have been incorporated all throughout the platform, so you can use these in search. I can grab the named entities field in our advanced search here, choose a person or other option from the drop-down, and then we can enter a name into the field here, run that search, and now it's going to find people or places or whatever it identified in your data and return those items for you. These named entities have also been incorporated into reports, so you can come up here to the top like normal, download your report, select a resource report, and then customize it, and all of these new fields are available to add to your reporting. So that is the overview of our new update. If you want to see a full list of all the new features and updates that were made, you can come to our support section and go over to announcements. Check out the release notes for this update and see a complete list of everything that was changed, and check out our new tutorial article on this named entity extraction feature. It's a great reference if you want to learn a little bit more about how it works. Come in and read a little bit about this in our help section. All right, thanks for joining us today. If you have any other questions, please reach out to our support team at support@indexed.io.